Hello, welcome to Evolving Teacher Journey. My name is Julia Cox, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a little picture display that you can have the students to place their picture on in the classroom. If you'd like to make one of these, my suggestion is go to the Dollar Tree and purchase one of the picture frames and get your jute and your clips, and go to Home Depot and get the little screws to screw into the bottom of it. I hope you enjoy the video, and here we go. My suggestion is think about your classroom theme and use your Cricut to cut out whatever you want to display on the picture frame. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please click like, share, subscribe, leave comment below. Also, please take a look at my Amazon wish list if you would like to donate to my classroom. Thank you. Remember, today is a great day to be alive.